Hello everyone, welcome to Jano TV. First question, which country won the most gold medals in Paralympics 2024? A. Japan, B. China, C. USA, D. Australia. The correct answer is option B. China. Next question, which country hosted the 2024 Summit Paralympics Games? A. Germany, B. USA, C. England, D. France. The correct answer is option D. France. Next question. What's India's overall ranking in Paralympics 2024? A. 15th, B. 16th, C. 25th, D. 18th. The correct answer is option D. 18th. Next question. How many medals did India win at Paralympics 2024? A. 16, B. 20, C. 29, D. 30. The correct answer is option C. 29. Next question. How many gold medals did Indian layers win at Paralympics 2024? A. 11, B. 9, C. 7, D. 3. The correct answer is option C. 7. Next question. Where did the first Paralympics take place? A. USA, B. UK, C. Greece, D. Italy. The correct answer is option D. Italy. Next question. Nitish Kumar won a gold medal in which sports event at the Paralympics 2024? A. Shooting, B. Boxing, C. Wrestling, D. Badminton. The correct answer is option D. Badminton. Next question. Avani Lekhara won a gold medal in which sports event at the Paralympics 2024? A. Shooting, B. Boxing, C. Wrestling, D. Badminton. The correct answer is option A. Shooting. Next question. How many sports were at the Paralympics in 2024? A. 42, B. 22, C. 32, D. 50. The correct answer is option B. 22. Next question. How many events will be at the Paralympics 2024? A. 425, B. 220, C. 549, D. 530. The correct answer is option C. 549. Next question. Kapil Parmar has become the first Indian athlete to win a Paralympic medal in which sport? A. Shooting, B. Boxing, C. Judo, D. Badminton. The correct. Next question. How many Indian athletes qualified for the Paralympics 2024? A. 112, B. 84, C. 97, D. 75. The correct answer is option B. 84. Next question. Sumit Attil won a gold medal in which sports event at Paralympics 2024? A. Shooting, B. Boxing, C. Wrestling, D. Javelin. The correct answer is option D. Javelin. Next question. Who has been chosen as India's Chief de Mission for the 2024 Paralympics? A. Gagan Narayan, B. Satya Prakash Sangwan, C. Neeraj Chopra, D. Abhinav Bindra. The correct answer is option B. Satya Prakash Sangwan. Next question. Who is the second India flag bearer along with Preeti Pal at the closing ceremony of the Paralympics 2024? A. Avani Lekhara, B. Kapil Parmar, C. Haravindra Singh. D. Sumit Anthil. The correct answer is option C. Haravindra Singh. Next question. Which edition of the Paralympics held in Paris in 2024? A. 18, B. 20th, C. 17, D. Para Judo. The correct answer is option C. 17th. Next question. Which country will host the 2028 Summer Paralympics Games? A. Germany, B. USA, C. England, D. France. The correct answer is option B. USA. Next question. What do the 5 rings on the Olympic flag represent? A. The 5 continents. B. The 5 Olympic sports. C. The 5 founding countries. D. The 5 Olympic values. The correct answer is option A. The 5 continents. Next question. Which country won the most gold medals in Paris Olympics 2024? A. Japan, B. China, C. USA, D. Australia. The correct answer is option B. China. Last question. How many medals Indian players won at Paris Olympics 2024? A. 4, B. 5, C. 6, D. 7. The correct answer is option 6 medals. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.